Good morning, everybody.
Thank you very much for Sanjeev. Despite your busy schedule, he has a Foundation Day function, he has another leadership summit, but he was kind to come early in the morning. Friends, many of you faces I see have seen our journey from 2011 till date. We constituted Robotic Surgeons Council with a very different purpose, and after a lot of debate whether we thought that we go with the societies, specialty societies, or we create a common forum. But I was of the opinion that robotic surgery has so much in common across the specialties. At that time, dual console had not come. And hence, it should be a common forum for them to learn. And this has happened in the institution that urology had worked with other specialties to develop them. And so did general surgery with colorectal surgeons and other ways. We were having meetings twice a year, and I don't want to delve into that. Is a plenary in itself to discuss what direction we should take now, and you need to decide. It was a very fascinating journey for me as an individual. We had accomplished quite significantly for such a capital-intensive equipment, which was beyond our control because monopolies are monopolies. And Intuitive's monopoly is almost like a monopoly forever. So when we inherited in 2010, there were 6, I used to call them sick robots, except for one in All India Institute. They were all Me Too phenomenon used for cardiac surgery. In last 3 years, the then dealer had sold one robot. And then we had our period of anxiety and struggle to convince, but I'm very happy to say by the end of 2017, we had 70 installations. We have supported the growth and development of almost 309 robotic surgeons, which were in single digits in 2009. We have brought in, foundation invested a huge amount of money in bringing 170 mentors, which I'm sure all of you know, in different institutions to develop the way, because our mission was that whatever is possible with this robot anywhere in the world should be done by the surgeons. And you all contributed enormously in what robotic surgery is now. Now it's on an auto run. People know, the patient know the value, and it will go on and on. Now, where do we go from here? India is known for volumes and volumes and volumes. I have heard and presented during my long journey of 48 years, several international forums. And we have very little to say beyond volumes. We have all excuses, we don't have follow-ups. We have all excuses that patient behavior if he doesn't come. We have everything to blame to the hospitals we work, they don't keep the data. But the fact remains that despite such high quality of work being done, it goes unnoticed by the most of the world, and they'll understand only one language, is a publication in high impact journal. And that's why I brought a mascot to compare Trin, who is one of the highly published authors on urology and outcomes research. And he's going to tell you how he has increased his productivity by almost a global collaborative trade. There is no institution. He has almost 7 to 8 fellows from all over the world He has funding from wherever you say. And it's like a logical factory. It's not in true sense a factory. And the way they disseminate the knowledge is what the direction we need to take. And you are the pioneers and leaders, and somebody has to behave as a knowledge creator in this world. We have enough of followers, but somebody has to bite a bone to say that, yes, we will create knowledge, and authentic knowledge which would be practiced not only in this country, but all over. We have enormous problems in hands in this society, and still we have not touched, always I call it's orange peel. Orange still remains. 95% of the people still are deprived of the high quality and high cost intensive healthcare. So once again, thank you very much for responding to my invitation and be here. I hope you enjoy your stay here, and you can always fan that you were in Jodhpur to attend Priyanka and Jonah's wedding, and you wouldn't be wrong because you are in Jodhpur on those days. So thank you, and I take this opportunity to invite Dr. Sanjeev Mishra to give his keynote address. Thank you very much.